Each of your courses in Blackboard have their own grade center. The grade center is the area where you grade all assignments, tests, and other material that count toward your course's curriculum. To access the grade center in your course, move your mouse to the left side menu and go down to the control panel. Expand the section labeled Grade Center and click on Full Grade Center. You will then be brought to a table where the rows list all of the students enrolled in your course, and the columns list all of the course assignments and tests, as well as the calculated total grade. It should be noted that any time you create a gradable assignment or test in Blackboard, a column for it will be automatically created in the Grade Center. If you need to create a grade column for something that is not created in Blackboard, simply click on the button above labeled Create Column. On the next page, enter in the following details: the column name as it would appear in the Grade Center, a description, the type of grade you want displayed, a category, the amount of points the submission is worth, any rubrics you have, whether or not it will be included in the Grade Center calculations, and whether or not you want this to be available to students. Click Submit, and your grade column will be created. When you are brought back to the Grade Center, you may notice that your new column is not visible. This is because Grade Center columns are arranged from left to right, from oldest to newest. If you move the scroll bar on the bottom to the left, you will start to see the other grade columns. If you are not happy with this and want to change the display, move your mouse to the toolbar above, and under Manage, click on Column Organization. You will then be brought to an area where you can customize the order of columns in your grading area. You can simply click and drag a column in the list and move it to your desired spot. You will notice that some columns are split into two lists: in grading period and not in grading period. If there is a column in the latter that you want to add to the grading period, simply click and drag the column from that list into the grading period list. When you are satisfied with the arrangement, click on Submit, and you will be brought back to the Grade Center with your changes in place. You also have other view options. For example, if you hover over Manage and click on Categories, you can see a list of the different categories, such as tests, assignments, or discussion boards, and which one each Grade Center column falls under. Also, if you click on the button labeled Filter, you can set it up so that you can see only a certain category of columns, as well as a certain level of completion of said grade. Finally, if you click on the chevron next to the name of each column, you can choose whether to see the grades in ascending or descending order. Now, if a student has submitted an assignment but has yet to receive a grade, their entry will be indicated by a yellow circle with a white exclamation mark. Click on the chevron next to it, and a drop-down menu will appear. To grade the student's assignment, click on the button starting with the word Attempt. You will be brought to a page that includes the student's assignment submission, and to the right, you will see an area labeled Assignment Details. Clicking on the bar underneath Attempt will open a text box where you can type in your feedback to the student's assignment. Right next to Attempt is where you will enter the student's grade based on how many points you set the assignment to be worth. Once you have completed both actions, click on Submit. You will be brought back to the Grade Center where you will get a notification saying that the grade was submitted. You can also look in the column for the assignment and see the grade there. There is actually another method to grade the assignment submission. In your Blackboard course, scroll down to Course Management, and under Grade Center, instead of clicking Full Grade Center, click Needs Grading. This will bring you to a page containing a detailed list of all the course assignments that have yet to be graded. Click on the name located in User Attempt and proceed to enter the feedback and grade as you did with the previous method. If there is a grade already entered that you need to change, simply go back to the Grade Center, go to the column, click on the specific grade, and type in the correct grade. Over the duration of the semester, all graded materials will be automatically calculated in the column labeled Total. If you would rather calculate the grade yourself, simply move your mouse to the toolbar above and under Work Offline, click Download. Here, you can download the entire Grade Center to a spreadsheet file and calculate the grade yourself using Microsoft Excel. After you click Submit, click on the Download button and the Excel file will be downloaded to your computer. Once you have calculated the grade on your own, you can upload it from your computer to the Grade Center. You can do this by simply moving your mouse to the toolbar above and under Work Offline, click Upload. From there, click Browse My Computer, select the completed Excel document, hit Enter, and then click on Submit. If you have any other questions regarding the Grade Center and working with grades, be sure to contact the Kingsborough Center for e-Learning.